Hello and welcome to another video by Decadale. Today we're going to be installing another one of JetBrains IDEs. We're going to be installing IntelliJ Idea Community Edition. So let's open up a browser and let's search for JetBrains, IntelliJ Idea CE, and press enter. Download IntelliJ Idea. Again, when we click on this, it's trying to get us to have the Ultimate Edition, which is fine, but you have to pay for that. You've got a 30-day trial, and then you have to start paying. Whereas we have the Community Edition if you're going to be learning and doing stuff, so we recommend just sort of starting with that, and then if you need to, you can always upgrade to the Ultimate Edition. So I'm going to click on Download. Again, depending upon the speed of your system, speed of your internet, and so on, it may take a certain amount of time. Mine usually takes 10 to 15 minutes. Yours may take 5 to 20 minutes, depending upon the speed of your system. Okay, that took a little while, but we've got it there now. So same again, we're going to go open up this folder. I'm going to wait for that to load. There we go. And then we're going to double click on the Idea C. Well, Idea IC, IntelliJ Community Edition. Like with the pie chart, it's going to ask you, would you like to allow us to do things? And yes, you want it to do that because you're installing stuff. So we're going to say yes. That'll bring up a familiar screen here. It's got a welcome IntelliJ Idea Community Edition setup, so on and so forth, and next. Again, this is telling you where the destination folder is going to go, which is great. And next. Now, here we've got some other things. I'm going to put a desktop shortcut, very rarely use them. Add the context menu, so we've got open folder as project. Create associations with Java, Gradle, Groovy, KT for Kotlin and KTS for Kotlin as well, and POM files. I also want to add the bin folder to the path. Again, restart needed. So similar concept and similar thing that we did with PyCharm, we're going to be doing with this. So next, and install. So this may take a little while, depending upon your system. So we'll let that go off and do its thing. Again, we're back to this point now where we click Reboot Now, click Finish in a moment. First, I'm going to close this and close the browser. Remember to have it on Reboot Now and click Finish. Remember, this is going to restart the computer. So if you're following along, remember to reopen the thing afterwards. Okay, so we click Finish. That's going to restart. Okay, so it's restarted, and we now have this desktop shortcut, the IntelliJ Idea. So I'm going to run it from there first. Again, there's going to be a few little setup things after we start it. No, so it's asking, do we want to import settings from either of these? No, I'm going to skip the import. Again, for this one, we don't actually have Java installed. So what we can do is if we say new project, see download Oracle Open JDK 22. Yeah. So that'll sort of download one for us, which is ideal. Yeah. At this point, we'll just call it I don't know, let's say let's think of something. You know what, I'll keep it at that. I'm just going to leave it untitled and click create, just so that we can kind of have it download the actual JDK. So at this point, it's starting to download it, installing and downloading the thing itself. Yeah. Let's just automatically choose that. So this may take a little bit of time, depending upon how slow your system is. Also, the elevator.exe, which is the thing that allows you to do things like install stuff. This is going to ask you, are you sure you want to do this? Which we do want to, because we're installing things. So say yes to this, and then let it do its install under the hood. It'll carry on doing the stuff and add the bits and take a certain amount of time depending upon your system. Okay, that's finished installing and got ready. So now we click on here and run main.main. We can do a sanity check. It's now building it, starting it. It's running the hello and welcome. And we've got I equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's doing the Java code that's here. I'm not going to really go into each of the steps of the Java code, but just so you know, this is our sanity check. And if you get something like this up, then it's working. So that's a good sign, right? So this concludes our installation of IntelliJ Idea Community Edition on Windows 11. Have a great day.